How to create a company page on LinkedIn. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is easy, how to create a company page on LinkedIn using your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, head to linkedin.com, log into your account and go to this section called For Business and click on Create a Company Page. Now, choose the type of company that you're willing to create a page for. So a page type, either it's a company or a showcase page or an educational institution. So I'm gonna choose a company. I don't have enough connections to create a page, so I'm going to get back right at you guys with my other account. So just stay posted up. Yuki. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, now I'm back on my other account, so let's do the same thing. Click on company and then we can create our company page. So fill in this information through contact information, descriptions, your logo, and different things about your business. And this way, you will create a company page where you'll be able to post updates on your company and have professional business relationships with other companies on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.